Hey boys and girls, thank you for joining me in my garden today. The maths activity that we're going to play is called Lulu, and it's actually a game, a Hawaiian game. It's played with some stones. Now I just had a look around in my garden and found 4 flat stones. The reason I'm playing this outside is because I'm going to be rolling the stones like dice, and I don't know about you, but I know my family wouldn't want me to be throwing dice that are made out of stones around inside. If your family has some old cereal boxes or thick cardboard, then you could use that to cut out some round disc shapes instead. But for my game, I just found some stones. Now, on the stones, I've used a Sharpie to make these 4 patterns. So, I divide my stone up into quarters. One of them only has 1 dot in the center. Another stone, so my second stone, is still divided into quarters and has 2 dots. It doesn't matter if they're in the same spot as mine, just 2 dots in each of those quarters. My third dice, you guessed it, still in quarters with 3 dots. And my fourth one, still in quarters, but each of those sections has a dot in it. Altogether, my stones have 4 dots. That's really important to remember. Now, the purpose of this game is I'm learning how to be really automatic with my numbers when I'm adding combinations together. So, just bear with me a while. I can play this game with a partner, but it's also a really great game to play by myself. So I need a whiteboard or a piece of paper to mark down my score. And I get all the dice in my hands. I shake them and drop them. I don't know if you can see all of my stones there, but the way that I've dropped it, I only have 3 stones showing. What I need to do is get rid of the stones that do not have numbers on them. So my score is starting at 3. Oh, that's a backwards 3. My apologies. What I do now is I get my remaining stones, and unfortunately I can only show you with 1. Shake it, drop it, and it's on 3. So now I'm making my total go up. So 3 and 3 makes 6. Now I can have all my stones back again. I can shake them and drop them. Here I've got 1 stone that did not have anything, so I need to get rid of it. I've got a stone that has 4, 3, and 1. Now I'm going to use my number combinations here. I know that 3 and 1 make 4, and now I'm going to use my doubles. 4 and 4 makes 8. So I'm going to go 8 and 6, which makes 14. And the game continues like that. Now, if I want to play with a partner, which is so much fun, and I'm sure that you'd be able to find somebody that you could rope into playing this game, we take it in turns, and the winner is the first person to get to 100. If you'd like to make it a little bit trickier for yourself, you could start at 100, and each time you roll, take that total that you've rolled off the total of 100. See who wins. I hope you guys enjoy playing Lulu.